I mean, why do you need to go to Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani or Lonavala when you can have such a beautiful experience of the hills in Pune itself? Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here is our Interceptor. And what are we doing today? We are going to be doing a small city ride when the weather is too cloudy. So it's a Sunday evening and the weather in Pune is very cloudy. It's also windy right now. It really feels great, man, just to take the bike out when you're done with the work for the whole day and just go to some place you don't know about. Just travel somewhere, no destination in your head. It acts like therapy, especially if you have a bike, that is so powerful. I'm all set up, I'm wearing the Royal Enfield rain jacket. It is going to rain anytime now, and I really wish it rains now because I want to shoot during the rain. I'm heading towards Handewadi side now, Hadapsar side now of the Pune area. This is a highway actually, all huge vehicles, all cars and all. There's a lot of traffic on this side. We'll be going towards the hilly side. I've cancelled the plan to go to the city. We'll go towards the hills because that is where my heart is. And we'll get an open road over there, some good scenery, and we'll be riding our Interceptor over there. Since it's a Sunday, there's not much of traffic over here now. We'll be taking a right from here. Coming to this place after a very long time, and this looks very crowded now. You see the hill over there in front of you? That is the boundary. That acts as the boundary between Pune and Saswad. And also that place has the very famous Kanishnath temple. Devotees often visit that place. They trek, they climb, they go on their vehicles. But it is a very favorite holy place of many people in Maharashtra at least. Once we cross a kilometer or two, we'll reach a village which is still untouched by the city habitat, and you'll find farms, you'll find cows, bulls, you'll find farmers over there, very few vehicles. This village is known as Holkarwadi village of Pune. Very recently it has been made as a part of the Pune Municipal Corporation, and the infrastructure work is in progress. Look at that mountain range. You see, it stretches from you can see 180-degree view of it from the left till where your eyes can see, to the right again till where your eyes can see. And someday we will definitely climb that hill on the Interceptor. Not right now because it will be late. Till the time we reach there, it will get dark. So I haven't come prepared for it. But the reason why I've got you all here is to show you all this beautiful scenery of the hills, of the last villages of Pune South. Such beautiful farms. People walking, it has become a rare scene where you can see, people walking peacefully on the roads. It's very difficult to find someone walking very peacefully on the city roads unless it's early in the morning where people, try to jog and all. But when you come to villages, people are just so chilled. Like going back from the farms or going towards the farm, there's no hurry or anything. See, the whole family is doing farming over here. Such a beautiful view. We also get to do off-road, see. I always wonder one thing, I've gone for long rides on my Classic 350, on my Himalayan Scram, on my Interceptor 650. I never get bored when I'm on the ride. So I was inquisitive, I just wanted to ask you all people, if some of you enthusiasts who go on long rides, do you all ever feel bored while on the bike? And if you do, tell me the reasons why do you feel bored. And if you don't, again tell me the reasons why you don't feel bored on the bike. Doggies. Goats. But I always, I always enjoy coming here, away from the city, but still in the city, fresh air, some good off-road, no traffic. In life, it is very difficult to find someone who will always stay with you in your ups and downs, in your joys and your sorrows. But when you find a bike, when you get a bike, you realize, you find that thing that will always stay with you. So what I'll do now is I'll park the bike somewhere here. I think that is a good place to do so, right behind. And we'll talk about the bike briefly. People have come out on the hills, to get some fresh air, to relax. So here people, yes, the bike, the very beautiful Interceptor. We've come to this beautiful place. The name of the village is Holkarwadi in the south of Pune. It is the southernmost village of Pune. And if you see this road takes you to that Kanifnath temple right over there, the top of the hill. And just have a look. This place is surrounded by hills. Beautiful, beautiful hills. And because it's monsoon now, there's a lot of greenery all around us. And then this very beautiful machine of ours, it takes you through any type of road. Even if there is no road, the bike will take you there because the engine is so powerful. Of course, it has some limitations because it is not a pure off-roader. It is not an off-roader in the first place, but it still does very good in soft off-roads. Now if you can see, it is a rock right below our feet. It is not a flat surface at all, but still the bike will do very well on it. Few good things about the Interceptor: it is a go anywhere bike as long as you don't go and do pure off-roads. It is a very beautiful highway bike. It is a very decent city bike. I'm saying decent and not very good because it is a heavy bike, and when you're standing on the signals, when you have to park the bike, that time you understand the weight of it. Otherwise, if you're just riding in the city, it is very good for overtaking, driving to narrow lanes. Even though it's a huge bike, but it is very manageable. The turning radius is good, and I cannot find any negative point about the bike, honestly. What the bike is made for, it does it very well. The bike is a roadster bike with a bit of a cruising stance, and the bike does the job very well. I always say, take a test ride of the bike before. Take a test ride of the bike that you want to buy. We'll just take a round over there and come back. We'll see what place that is. I've come to this spot many times, but this is the first time I'm taking this route. Let's see where it goes. Since I have the Interceptor with me, I'm very confident of going to any such road. I'm confident, the bike will never stop. It won't give up. I mean, why do you need to go to Mahabaleshwar, Panchgani or Lonavala when you can have such a beautiful experience of the hills in Pune itself? And this location is right behind my house, so I don't even have to go 10 kilometers more. It's just right at the backyard. Oh, there's a temple over here, so we'll just go and pay our obeisances since we have come so far, and we'll take a turn. Jai Jai, Jai Jai Jai. Beautiful spot, beautiful spot. Now let's head back to from where we came from. One thing I've experienced with the Interceptor, whenever I am riding it, is that there is no dull moment when you're on it. Not a single dull moment when you're on the Interceptor. We are back on the highway now, and we'll be reaching home in like 10 minutes. That is how far this place is from my house. We've reached back home, and it was a fun short ride. The rains didn't come as expected, but anyway, we got to see the beautiful scenery without getting wet. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.